In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email in Shopify. Verifying your sender email is really important because it helps your store emails look professional and ensures that messages like order confirmations and shipping updates actually reach your customers instead of going to spam. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store. Once you're on the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. When the Settings page opens, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From that menu, find and click on Notifications. This is where Shopify manages all of the automated emails and alerts that go out from your store, including the sender email we're about to verify. At the top of the Notifications page, look for a section or card labeled Sender Email. This is the email address that Shopify uses as the from address when it sends messages to your customers. If this email hasn't been verified yet, you'll see the word unverified on the right side of that section. That label lets you know that you still need to confirm you own this email address. Now, leave this tab open and go to your email inbox for the address that's listed as your sender email in Shopify. Shopify should have automatically sent a verification message to that inbox. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder and also any promotions or updates tabs, depending on your email provider. Once you find the verification email from Shopify, open it. Inside that message, you'll see a button that says something like Verify Email. Click on that button. This tells Shopify that you own this email address and that it's safe to use for your store communications. After you click the Verify button, your browser will take you back to Shopify, usually straight to the notification settings page. Take a look again at the sender email section at the top. The unverified label should now be gone. That means your email has been successfully verified and is ready to be used for your store notifications. And that's it. Your sender email is now verified in Shopify, helping improve deliverability and making your store look more trustworthy to your customers.